Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can send server invitations on Discord to invite new users and members to your Discord server and its channels on PC and on laptop. So let us guide you through this. In the first step, launch Discord, for example, as the desktop application and access one of your servers. So I created this one here in the top left corner. For the sake of this tutorial, you can create a new server if you like by clicking into this button. Now we're going to go with this example server here. So access it, and after that you will see the server name here at the top. So click into that arrow down icon, and from here simply click into invite people. And from there, guys, simply use that search bar here to go through your contact or friends list on server and find the user you'd like to invite. You may see also the list of suggestions below, and simply click into that invite button to the right to invite the given friend or user to your server, or you may simply use that invitational link here by clicking into copy, and after that simply send that invitation link to your invitee. Just remember, guys, that the invitation link expires after 7 days, so make sure that you do this within that week, and after that wait for the given user to either accept or decline your invitation. And that's it. That's how you do it. You may also edit the invitation link anytime, and yeah, that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.